Hi, this is Dr. Ryan Rosser with Reed Physical Therapy, and today we're going to go over proper lifting form to avoid low back injuries. So the most important thing when you're lifting anything with avoiding low back injuries is to always prepare for the lift. Most of the people that I see who blow out their back don't do it deadlifting 300 pounds. They do it picking up a shirt from the floor, and they do it because they just reach over real quick without thinking about it. So anytime you pick something up, you always want to think about what you're doing and prepare your muscles for it to protect your spine. The most dangerous thing is to pick something up too quickly without preparing your body for it. So that being said, here are three simple techniques that you can use. The first one we call the golfer's lift. So called because it looks like you're a golfer reaching to pick up his ball out of the hole. And so you can use this one if you have pretty good balance. Very simply, stand on your strong leg. I use my right leg. Gonna reach over, pick it up, come back up. And so notice here I'm avoiding bending my back, and I'm letting my hips bend instead. And you can do the same thing to setting something down on the floor. Bend, down. Again, this is a good option if you have pretty good balance. If your balance is a little bit suspect, we can do what we call the stoop carry. You're gonna go down, go to one knee, lower your hips down onto your back foot, pick up your object, bring it in close to your body, and stand up. Just set it down. You're gonna do the same thing in reverse. So kneel down to one knee, hips on the back foot, bring it down. This is a good option if you have something that is kind of small and you can have on one side of you. The final one is just a squat lift. And so instead of bending forward to pick something up, you're going to bend your knees, pick it up, bring it to your chest, and then come back up. Do the same thing in reverse to set something down. So squat down, set it down. So one thing you'll notice with all of these, I'm keeping my objects close to my chest. If you have the objects far away from you, it puts increased force on your low back because you have a longer lever out in front of you. If you keep the weight close to your chest, then it protects your back. All right, and those are our three basic techniques for lifting objects to avoid low back injuries. Thanks.